Okay, so now we see the sum number 6 ka second. So we have the sum as 3 upon 7 plus 4 upon 9 plus minus 5 upon 21 plus 2 upon 3. You can easily find out the LCM of this complete all the denominators in one go and then do the sum. Like for example, if I take the LCM, so it will be 7, 9, 21, 3. You try it with 3 first, so it will be 7, this will be 3, this will be 7 and this will be 1. Again 3, so 7, 1, 7, 1 and 7 then 1, 1, 1, 1. So this means the LCM is nothing but LCM will be equal to 7 into 3 into 3 is nothing but 63. Accordingly, here it will be 63, here it will be 3 into 9 plus 4 into 7 plus minus 5 into 3 plus 2 into 21. This gives me 27 plus 28 minus 15 plus 42 upon 63. So now we know that 27 plus 20 is 55. 55 minus 15. So it is 55 minus 15 plus 42 upon 63. So that is 40 plus 42 upon 63. That will be 82 upon 63, which is nothing but 1 and then 19 upon 63 as the final answer. Okay, this was sum number 6 ka second. Now we come to sum number 7, the first part. Now fill in the blanks. Okay, we are not doing this thing. It is meaningless to do that thing over here because it is just giving you the property that this okay, not required. So we can just directly do the 8th one. So it is given that A is equals to minus 11 upon 27, B is equals to 4 upon 9 and C is equals to minus 5 upon 18. Okay. You have to verify that A plus B plus C is equals to A plus B plus C. Okay. This is the property what you need to, it's called as an associative property. So when the brackets are just going to be changed from one point to another point, it is just the associative property. So whether I put the brackets here or whether if it is going with the same answer or not is what we are going to check. So first let's check this one. So we have got A plus B plus C. So it is nothing but minus 11 upon 27 plus 4 upon 9 plus minus 5 upon 18. Solving this first, we get minus 11 upon 27 plus, this will be 8 plus minus 5 upon 18. LCM is 18. So it's minus 11 upon 27. Over here the answer will be 3. 8 minus 5 is 3. So it will be plus 3 upon 18. Okay. So you can take the LCM of this two. So 9 2s and 3s are, so that will be this way, that 27 and 18. So when you take it by 3, it will be 9 and 6. Again 3, it will be 3 and 2. Then 3, 1, 2 and 2. So 3 there 9 and 27 54. So it is 54 minus, so this will be 27 to make it 54 is multiplied by 2, so it is 22. And 18 to 54 is multiplied by 3, so 9. So answer will be over here as minus 13 upon 54. That's the value of A plus B, A plus B plus C. Now we'll do the same thing for my next part, and that is going to be A plus B plus C. So here it is minus 11 upon 27 plus 4 upon 9 plus minus 5 upon 18. Not required, right? So this over here, the LCM will be 27 this will be minus 11 plus this will be 3s are, so 12 plus minus 5 upon 18. So this will be 1 upon 27 plus minus 5 upon 18. Again the same thing, LCM will be 54. So this is going to be multiplied 2 and this is going to multiply 3, so minus 15. So that will be minus 13, sorry, this will be 54. So minus 15 upon 54. You can see that both are same. So we'll say hence verified. Are you clear with this? So this was your end of the first exercise, right? So your first exercise was based on this. Now we come to the second exercise, and in the second exercise I am told to do only sum number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are going to do only sum number 1, 1, 2, 3, sum number 2, 3, 4 and 5 as per the school's sheet. So that is about subtraction. So let's start with exercise 1.2, the first sum. Okay, first we have got over here subtract 2, 3 upon 5 from minus 3 upon 7. So first thing important is the word from. Means if you write it, it will be 3 upon 7 minus 2, 3 upon 5, because this should be subtracted from this. So writing wise it will be this way. So there is nothing but minus 3 upon 7 minus 13 upon 5. LCM is 35. So it will be minus 15 and this will be minus 91. So that will be giving you as minus 106 upon 35. Okay, if you divide it, you get it as 106, 35, 3s are 105. So that will be minus 3, 1 upon 35 will be the answer. That will be the answer for 1.2 first sum. You go to the next sum, that is minus 4 upon 9 from 3, 5 upon 8. Okay. So that will be 3, 5 upon 8 minus 4 upon 9. That makes it 24, 29 upon 8 plus 4 upon 9, because minus minus becomes plus. LCM 72. So 29 into 9. So 29 into 9 will be 81, 18. Okay. So 26, 261 plus 32. That makes it 293 upon 72. Dividing it, we get it as 293, 72. 72 into 3 is so 6, 21. That will give me as 8. Okay, that will be 4 8 and 28. Yeah, okay. So 288. This will give me the answer as 5. So it will be 4, 5 upon 72 will be the answer for the second answer. Okay, 4, 5 upon 72. The next one is sum number 3. Third one. It is minus 3, 1 upon 5 from minus 4, 7 upon 9. That will give me as minus 4, 7 upon 9 minus of minus 3, 1 upon 5. That gives me 36 plus 7 is 43. So minus 43 upon 9 plus, because minus minus plus, 16 upon 5. That means the LCM is 45. 5 is minus 15 and 21. And this is 16. 9 is 144. So that will give me the answer as 56, 66 and 71. 71 upon 45, which is nothing but minus 1, and then it will be 26 upon 45. So that was the first question of the exercise 1.2. Now we come to the question number 2, then 3, 4 and 5. Now let's see question number 2. Sum of two rational numbers is 3 upon 5. If one of them is minus 2 upon 7, find the other. They given that two numbers, एक x and दूसरा number दिया है minus 2 upon 7 is 3 upon 5. So we can consider it as this way. Let number be x, therefore x plus minus 2 upon 7 is equals to 3 upon 5. This is what is given, that the sum of two numbers is 3 upon 5. If one of the number is minus 2 upon 7, find the other number. Find x, right? See, always if you take it this as x, it is much easier to understand. Of course, you know that you just need to subtract it from here, but when you take it this way, it is like, okay, we are much more confident about what you are doing. So here x will be equal to, now this goes over here, so this is plus, so it will be minus over here. It is 3 upon 5 minus 2 upon 7. That will be 3 upon 5 plus 2 upon 7. LCM is 35, so 21 plus 10 is equal to 31 upon 35. So therefore the number is 31 upon 35. Clear? So what is the other? Find the other number. So the other number, what we found out, is nothing but 31 upon 35. Let's see the next question. Question number 3. What rational number should be added to minus 5 upon 11 to get minus 7 upon 8? So again, let number be x, therefore x. So we are going to say, that what number is to be added to. So minus 5 upon 11 plus x is equals to minus 7 upon 8. This is the question. Okay, that this plus this is equal to this. X, we'll keep it here, bring this on this side. We get x is equals to minus 7 upon 8. Now when it goes from here to here, it will become plus 5 upon 11, because this is subtraction. On this side it will become addition. Why is this so? Because equal to sign can be considered to be as a mirror. अगर mirror के सामने खड़े हैं, मैंने right hand उठाया, तो मुझे mirror में क्या दिखेगा? वो left hand उठाता है. Similarly, equal to sign is a mirror sign. On the right hand side, if it is addition, on the left hand side becomes subtraction. Right hand side subtraction, this side addition. Your multiplication, your division. Your division, your multiplication. So that's why when I take this on this side, the minus becomes plus. Here LCM is again 88. This becomes minus 77 plus 40. So this will be minus 37 upon 88 as my answer to question number 3. So we are done with question number 3. Now we come to question number 4. Question number 4. What rational number should be subtracted from this to get this? Okay. So what rational from this one? So it is, let number be x. So they are given that I have to subtract what rational number should be subtracted from this. So it is minus 4 3 upon 5 minus x is equals to minus 3 1 upon 2. Okay. So what we'll do over here is that we'll take this first thing as 23. So minus 23 upon 5 minus x is equals to minus 7 upon 2. We'll take the x over here so that my negative doesn't remain, and this will bring it over here. So the minus 23 upon 5 plus 7 upon 2 is equals to x. So LCM, so we'll take the x value there. So it will be 10 LCM. This is minus 46 plus 35. That is going to become minus 11 upon 10, which is minus 1 upon 10 as the value of x. So the number which needs to be subtracted is minus 1 upon 10. So that was the fourth question. We come to the last question of this exercise as per your school portion. That is fifth question. Question 5. Subtract the sum of this and this from the sum of this and this. Okay. So we have got subtract the sum of, so it is minus 5 upon 7 and minus 8 upon 3. So subtract the sum of this and this from, it is 5 upon 2 and minus 11 upon 12. So you can see it is nothing but, first of all let us find out the sum of both the things. So we'll take it to the first one is minus 5 upon 7 plus minus 8 upon 3. So this will be equal to 21. So LCM is 7 and 3 is 21. So this is multiplied by 3, so 15. This is multiplied by 7, so minus 56. So that will give you minus 71 upon 21. Similarly, we'll take this 2 now. So 5 upon 2 plus minus 11 upon 12. So LCM is 12 itself. So this will be 6, so 30 minus 11. So that will be equal to 19 upon 12. Now it is given that I have to subtract the sum of this from this. Yani kya hua? It is this minus this. See, this is one answer. This is another sum. I have to subtract this. I have to subtract this from this. Right? So it is 19 upon 12 minus 71 upon 21. The sum of this was subtracted from this. तो ये आंसर यहाँ पे आया और ये आंसर यहाँ पे गया. So it will be 19 upon 12 plus 71 upon 21. We take the LCM again. So if we take the LCM, we have over here 12, 21. You divide it by 3, you get 4 and 7. So we'll take out 7 and 4 itself. So 28 into 3 or 21 into 4 is 84. So the LCM will be 84. So this has to be multiplied by 7. So 19 into 7 plus 71 into 4. Okay. So 133 plus 284 upon 84. That will give me as 7 and 1 and 417 upon 84. If I divide it, I get it as 84 and 8417. Now 4s will be 4 4s are 16 and 4 is a 32, 33. Oh no, that will be more than that. We'll take it as 5. 5 4s are 20 and 5 is a 40, 41, 42. So no, it has to be 4 only. So that will be 4 4s are 16 and 1, so 4 32, 33. So that will be giving us 1 and then it will 8. So it will be given as 481 upon 84 as your answer to this particular question. So question number 5, it is given as 427. One sec. Okay, I think it can be still divisible over here. So that's the reason it is given as that way. So let's see. Yeah, you can still divide this further. So you can divide it by 3. So this will be 27s and this will be 28. So answer will be 427 upon 28. This will be the final answer for this question. Okay, so this was the exercise 1.2. That's it. Now I'll just check up if anything else is there in your portion, and accordingly I'll make another video for the further things. Okay.